Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Gita Fadila, NIM 2211180. Baiklah, saya di sini akan membacakan jurnal bahasa Inggris yang berjudul The Contribution of Student Linguistic Intelligence Toward Reading Comprehension untuk memenuhi ulangan tengah semester mata kuliah keterampilan berbahasa dengan dosen pengampu Ibu Yunita Nurpriyasari MPD. Baiklah, saya akan memulai pada bagian result and discussion. After analyzing some qualified journal as the data of this research, the researcher found some results as follow. First, Mujiano et al. Found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the student academic achievement. It was proven by the result of the correlation coefficient was 0.662, which means there was a quite strong relation between students' linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participant of this study was English Education Department student. It also found that linguistic intelligence gave strong effect on students' English skill, including reading comprehension. It can be seen from the data that linguistic intelligence gave 44% per effect on academic achievement. Moreover, the writer also found that emotion intelligence showed a weak effect on the student achievement rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said that linguistic intelligence gave significant contribute towards students' achievement in English, including reading comprehension. Actually, many studies also indicate the same result of this study, specifically in reading comprehension. In other words, the student in linguistic intelligence more gave contribution towards students' academic achievement than emotional intelligence. Second, Rahimi et al. Report that linguistic intelligence become a strong predictor of students' reading comprehension. Then, the participant of this study was 90 Iranian students who took English major. Practically speaking, it also noted that linguistic intelligence was related with the students' cognition, which was involved in their successful in reading comprehension. It also found that linguistic intelligence predicted the student reading perform because intelligence and cognition are part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it is involved in reading activity. As it was discussed about, it is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involved the students' linguistic intelligence so that they can improve their ability in using language. Third, the study that was conducted by Dewi it showed that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence on students' reading comprehension. Besides this, the participant of the study was 283 Indonesian students and Madrasah Pembangunan Jakarta. From this study, it claimed that the students who had good linguistic intelligence that tended to have a good reading comprehension. Because English language variable of linguistic intelligence gave contribution in improving the students' reading comprehension ability. It was related with the previous study that linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can predict the student successful in learning and language because it involved the student cognitive process. In addition, it also found some indicators of student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student loved to write. Second, the student often spoke what they have read. Third, they were good at spelling patterns. Next, they liked playing word games and poems. Then the student can keep their books collection. Also, they can remember general knowledge. quotes and words easily. Next, they can explain and interpreting what they have read easily. Last, the student have good knowledge about language use. Based on those indicators, it can be said that the student who have dominant linguistic intelligence have tendency to have good reading comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence, it can increase the students' ability in reading because they understand what they have read easily. Practically speaking, the student and the teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can change their learning habit and learning style that is appropriate with their intelligence so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can create new ideas in teaching learning process and choosing the appropriate teaching material that fit with the students' linguistic intelligence. Fourth, Dewi and Wilani attempted that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. It was shown from their count was 0.68, which means that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence toward reading comprehension. Moreover, the writer also explained that the student's linguistic intelligence can be seen through some following indicator. First, his student can read a story or essay about their daily experience. Second, they can express their ideas clearly. Third, the student had rich vocabulary. Fourth, the students enjoy in reading many kind of the text such a book, newspaper, magazine, etc. Fifth, the student can spell the words in foreign language easily. Sixth, they like listening to a story. Seven, they can do a storytelling. It can be inferred that the student linguistic intelligence can be seen by their interest in using a language. Besides this, in learning process, it is crucial to use the appropriate strategy based on the student's linguistic intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension. Because linguistic intelligence can reflect the student's successful in reading comprehension. Fifth, Aulia and Nuardi found that there was significant correlation between the students' linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension, with the data show that 45.6 of the students' reading comprehension was influenced by the students' linguistic intelligence, which means linguistic intelligence have contributed toward reading comprehension. Then, the participant of this study was 55 Indonesian students. It also mentioned that the students' reading comprehension will be improved if their linguistic intelligence increases. As is was discussed above, the students' reading comprehension can be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence because it can help them in using the language effectively. Thus, it is important for the students they develop their linguistic intelligence by following some activities that relate with language learning. For example, by reading a lot, writing a story, and retell the story, also playing the words games. 6. Asanuddin and Fitrianingsih found that three were some indicator of linguistic intelligence of students in reading subject. First, the student had excellent knowledge in mentioning words, such they can express the word in his mind just by reading the title of the book. Second, the student were enjoying wordplay. For example, in doing the Scrabble games, they can answer the question and arrange the word correctly. Third, they can explain the main meaning of the words that they have read a discussion it. Fourth, most students were having difficulties in mathematics lesson, they prefer English, social, and history lesson than mathematics. Thus, the data show that they only answered the mathematics question randomly because it was difficult for them. They also prefer reading short stories, 50 in doing to conversation. They use some word that relate to something they have read and heard before, such as the word that they had heard from their classmate and the word that they had read from article. 6. The student had the ability in writing the poetry based on their personal experience. In line with the finding above, the indicator of linguistic intelligence can be seen through the student characteristic in learning process. Therefore, it can be inferred that the student who have good linguistic intelligence tend to have critical thinking because they can write poem and read it in front of their classmates. In contrast, based on Erlina et al., it was found that there was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence on their study. Besides this, the participant of the study was 28 Indonesian undergraduate students. Also, the writer mentioned that the aim of this study was not for generalization, but the result of the study was shown by phenomena in learning a language. The results show some aspect of the student's linguistic intelligence. First aspect in rhetoric, that is the ability in using the language effectively to persuade others. However, the results show that only 3 of 28 students will use the language effectively to persuade others. For instance, some students had lack of linguistic factor in persuading others and delivering their ideas to spoke and writing form. Second aspect is mnemonic, that is the ability in memorizing the information. It was found only 2 of 28 students who can remember and retell the information or the story of the text that they have read. Third aspect in explanation, that is the ability in delivering that information orally and writing. It was found that the students still face difficulties in using descriptive and figurative language in order to deliver their ideas. Also, only one student who used it well when she wrote his poem. Fourth aspect in metalinguistic, that is ability in learning the language itself. It shows that in reading class, the students were active participants in asking the question about the word that they did not familiar. From the result, it can be seen that in reading activity, the students still had the curiosity in learning a language, even though they still face difficulties in delivering their talk in spoke and writing form. Last, Reza and Tabrizi found that linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the students' reading comprehension among the multiple intelligence types. It also found that the students with high linguistic intelligence were able to use the language effectively, that they were typically good at reading, playing words games, memorizing words, storytelling, and making poetry. In line with the finding, Hashemi also attempted that linguistic intelligence made the strongest contribution in predicting the students' reading comprehensions. In other words, the students should not ignore this type of intelligence because it influences their reading comprehension. In fact, the student still not aware about their linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For instance, by creating a learning strategy that relates with playing words games and storytelling that involves the students' ability in using a language. It is also supported by gender in Arnold and Fontesa, who state that it is important to know and develop the individual's different types of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all of the individual are different to each other, that they have the combination of intelligence. Therefore, based on the result of the research, it found that students' linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the students should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helped them to improve their ability reading. Sekian jurnal bahasa Inggris dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.